If you like this video, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell icon to get the latest updates.
Question: which authorization object define which printers you can print to? Option 1 S_SPO_dev. Option 2 S_SVR_dev. Question: PFCG, which are the activities to create a role? Option 1 define role name. Option 2 determine activities. Option 3 design user menus. Option 4 maintain authorization data. Option 5 maintain master data. Question: what are the two different worlds for SSO? Option 1 SAP GUI for Windows SNC. Option 2 Web SSL. Option 3 SAP RTD for Windows SFG. Question: what are the three major components of the role maintenance tool, PFCG? Option 1 menu. Option 2 authorizations. Option 3 users. Option 4 profile. Question: what is the transaction to display an overview of the modifications and enhancement found in the system that you can search by last transport request or request/task? Option 1 SE95. Option 2 SE96. Option 3 SE97. Option 4 SE98. Question: what are the two main functions of the OGate web server? Option 1 connects the ITS to the web server. Option 2 use the HTTP protocol. Option 3 use the HTML language. Question: which authorization object enforce actions you can take with spool requests, admin, and enforce access to a spool request that does not belong to you? Option 1 S_SAO_act. Option 2 S_SPO_act. Question: what is the meaning of the traffic lights icons for the authorization maintenance? Option 1 green. Option 2 yellow. Option 3 red. Option 4 blue. Question: how is it called when programs can be written that modify the IP address of the source of the TCP/IP packet, to fool the network into thinking that the packet is coming from within the network? Option 1 buffer. Option 2 overflow. Option 3 spoofing. Question: which are the two ways to control the choice of user passwords? Option 1 system profile parameters. Option 2 invalid passwords. Option 3 valid passwords. Question: which authorization object gives access to many administration functions? Option 1 S_AGFI_FCD. Option 2 S_AFGI_FCD. Option 3 S_ADMI_FCD. Question: what is the SAP standard composite menu and authorization role which contains every role in the ACE? Option 1 SAP_auditor. Option 2 SAP_CA_auditor. Option 3 SAP_CF_auditor. Question: which authorization object and its field enforce the administration function in the change and transport system? Option 1 TABL. Option 2 Init. Option 3 IMPA. Option 4 IMPS. Option 5 TAD. Question: profile parameter, if this parameter is set to value 1, the system blocks multiple SAP dialog logons, in the same client and with the same username. Option 1 login/fails_to_session_end. Option 2 login/disable_multi_GUI_login. Option 3 login/min_password_lng. Option 4 login/fails_to_user_lock. Question: which transaction will be used to choose the granularity of log category to multi-step multi-process, MSMP, ID while debugging issues with the MSMP workflow? Option 1 grfnmw_admin. Option 2 grfnmw_configure_wd. Option 3 grfnmw_debug_message. Option 4 grfnmw_debug. Question: which transaction lists each RFC destination and the user involved? Option 1 RS_RFC_CHK. Option 2 object S_RFC. Question: which SAP standard role allow you to set up the ACE? Option 1 SAP_auditor_admin. Option 2 SAP_editor_admin. Question: profile parameter, if the parameter is set to 1, default, user locks caused by incorrect logons during previous DIs are not taken into consideration. If the value is set to 0, the lock is not removed. Option 1 login/fails_to_session_end. Option 2 login/min_password_lng. Option 3 login/fails_to_user_lock. Option 4 login/failed_user_auto_unlock. Option 5 login/password_expiration_time. Question: what is the profile parameter to define the maximum of filters that can be used? Option 1 rsaw/creation_slot. Option 2 rsaw/selection_slot. Question: what is the audit log and #39's main objective? 3 points. Option 1 security related changes. Option 2 higher level of transparency. Option 3 enables the reconstruction of a series of events. Option 4 slower level of transparency. Question: which authorization object protects the standard list download? Option 1 S_GUI. Option 2 S_DFG. Option 3 S_GUT. Question: which of the following are benefits of creating a custom T-code to link SE16 to a specific table? Option 1, you no longer need to grant access to transaction code SE16. Option 2, with your custom transaction code, you can look at any table. Option 3, with your custom transaction code, you can look only at the table specified in the transaction code. Option 4, custom transaction codes can be easily created, without requiring any programming. Question: 7 activities of the ICM monitor? Option 1, start and stop the ICM. Option 2, set trace level, view logs. Option 3, view profile parameters settings, view statistics. Option 4, view memory pipe information, view active services. Option 5, monitor service cache. Question: which profile parameter can you use in order to specify the use of S_RFC? Option 1, name of RFC to be protected. Option 2, activity. Option 3, auth/RFC_authority_check. Question: which kind of servers translates the logical name into the physical name, the domain name into the IP address? Option 1, DNS. Option 2, DA. Option 3, DJF. Question: which command displays all connections and listening ports on your computer? Option 1, netstat A. Option 2, netstat B. Option 3, netstat C. Question: 3 enterprise portal authentication mechanisms. Option 1, user ID/password, form-based iView, X. 509 digital certificate. Option 2, third-party authentication, Windows. Option 3, use external authentication, SNC/exted_login_diagram. Question: is it possible to add composite roles to composite roles? Option 1, true. Option 2, false. Question: how to maintain the configuration of the logon tickets? Option 1, SSO1. Option 2, SSO2. Option 3, STRUSSO3. Option 4, STRUSSO2. Question: what contains the personal security environment, PSE? Option 1, public key. Option 2, private key. Option 3, server and #39, S public key certificate. Option 4, certificates of trusted CA, certificate list. Question: what is the measure for each source of risk? Option 1, organizational measures. Option 2, technical measures. Option 3, environmental measures. Option 4, access control. Option 5, system access control. Question: at which level is it possible to enforce the changes? Option 1, system. Option 2 client. Option 3 viable. Question: which SAP product transforms the traditional SAP applications to web-based transactions, so that they are accessible using Internet technology? Option 1 RFC, Remote Function Call. Option 2 the ITS, Internet Transaction Server. Option 3 the SAP Web GUI. Question: what are the three fields of the authorization object S_RFC? Option 1, type of RFC object to be protected. Option 2, name of RFC to be protected. Option 3, activity. Option 4, deactivity. Question: mandatory fields needed to create user master data. Option 1 to create authorization profiles centrally. Option 2 on the address tab page, last name field. Option 3 to administer user master records centrally. Option 4 on the logon data tab page, initial password. Question: the security policies are created by the security team in isolation from the business team. Determine whether the statement is true or false. Option 1 true. Option 2 false. Question: what is the transaction for local client copy? Option 1 SCCL. Option 2 SFGH. Option 3 CDDF. Option 4 SCEL. Question: in a dual host installation, where do you use firewalls? Option 1 firewall in front of the web server to deny access using undesired protocols. Option 2 firewall between the web server and the agit to restrict access even more. Option 3 using groups at the operating system level. Question: which authorization object can be used to ensure the security administrator only add value for a specific company code? Option 1 S_user_agr. Option 2 S_user_tcd. Option 3 S_user_val. Question: which authorization object restricts a user and #39's access rights to specific parts of a table? Option 1 S_tabu_lin. Option 2 tdit. Option 3 S_tabu_cli. Option 4 early watch. Question: how entries in the table USR40, invalid passwords, can be made generically? Option 1 denotes a single character. Option 2 * denotes a character string. Option 3 denotes double character. Question: what is the table for the extended user access control? Option 1 useRequest. Option 2 LDSSDSJMX. Question: what is the standard password of the user early watch? Option 1 DDIC. Option 2 early watch. Option 3 support. Option 4 S_code. Question, profile parameter, number of incorrect logon attempts allowed with a user master record before the user master record is locked. The lock is removed at midnight. Option 1 login/fails_to_session_end. Option 2 login/min_password_lng. Option 3 login/fails_to_user_lock. Option 4 login/failed_user_auto_unlock. Option 5 login/password_expiration_time. Question, transaction to define child and central system in the QA. Option 1 sale. Option 2 purchase. Question, which authorization object check program, reports, use? Option 1 S_debug_CLI. Option 2 early watch. Option 3 S_program. Question, which authorization component can be transported? Option 1 user master records. Option 2 roles. Option 3 authorization profiles. Option 4 check indicators. Option 5 components. Question, what is the profile of the special user early watch? Option 1 S_wols_x_a. Option 2 S_tools_x_a. Question, which user group should be assigned to? The user's SAP *DDIC, early watch. Option 1 user group support. Option 2 user group super. Question, what 3 security goals answer the digital signature? Option 1 integrity. Option 2 authentication. Option 3 non-repudiation. Option 4 repudiation. Question, which of the following statements regarding systems based on SAP NetWeaver as 7.0 double stack are correct? Note, there are 2 correct answers to this question. Option 1 in ECC 6.0 you should store the transactional data in the Java stack to segregate it. Option 2 the Java stack can be assigned to the QA, Central User Administration, Master Client via the JCO. Java Connector, Adapter Engine. Option 3 in double stack scenarios, you need a Java stack for each ABAP client since SAP J2EE engines always point to a single client only. Option 4 it is recommended to install the Java stack in a separate database. Option 5 since SAP NetWeaver as 7.0, the logon parameters are synchronized. Question, after the installation of SAP Web Dispatcher you want to create additional users to administer SAP Web Dispatcher. Where are these users stored? Option 1 in the table USR02 in as ABAP. Option 2 in the local database of SAP Web Dispatcher. Option 3 in the file system. Option 4 in the table webdisp_user in as Java. Question, which of the following statements about the role maintenance tool, PFCG, are true? Note, there are 3 correct answers to this question. Option 1 you can only administer organizational management and workflows in the complete view. Option 2, the tool allows mass maintenance of price list categories. Option 3, to eliminate double menu entries in the menu of composite roles, you have to use the collapse menu button. Option 4, if you insert a report in the menu you cannot assign a transaction code for this report manually. Option 5, the tool can automatically suggest transaction codes for customizing projects. Question: DSML, Directory Service Markup Language. Which of the following are features of SAP NetWeaver Identity Management? Note, there are 3 correct answers to this question. Option 1, data synchronization. Option 2, provisioning. Option 3, SAP QA, Central User Administration, Support. Option 4, password management. Question: which of the following statements regarding table access in SAP systems, for example, SAP ECC, are true? Note, there are 2 correct answers to this question. Option 1, tables marked as current settings, SOBJ, can be changed although the client's settings do not allow changes to this client in a productive system. Option 2, tables can be only accessed via transaction, SM30 if a maintenance dialog was created before. Option 3, with transaction, SE16N you can only display the content of tables. Option 4, table access can be controlled using table, TDIT. Question: which of the following statements regarding UME roles and J2EE security roles are true? Option 1, J2EE security roles can be created using the UME console. Option 2, UME roles can be administered using Visual Administrator. Option 3, UME roles are based on actions.xml files. Option 4, J2EE security roles are based on permissions. Option 5, SAP recommends using UME roles instead of J2EE security roles. Question: which of the following is a characteristic of the segregation of duties, SOD, principle? Note, there are 2 correct answers to this question. Option 1, the SOD principle is a preventive control. Option 2, the SOD principle is a detective control. Option 3, enforcing the SOD principle means that no single individual can carry out a critical task that could prove to be corruptive to the company. Option 4, enforcing the SOD principle means that individuals are capable of performing the tasks for different roles, rather than depending on just one individual. Question: which of the following authentication mechanisms is not accepted by SAP NetWeaver Portal 7.0? Option 1, SAML assertions. Option 2, user ID/password. Option 3, X.509 client certificates. Option 4, SNC-based authentication. Option 5, web access management, WAM, products. Question: which of the following statements are true for user master records and authorization profiles in clients of SAP systems? Note, there are 2 correct answers to this question. Option 1, an authorization object can be assigned to a user master record. Option 2, a user master record can be generated from the role maintenance transaction, PFCG. Option 3, the name of an authorization profile can be changed using the role maintenance transaction, PFCG. Option 4, it is not possible to include an authorization profile into a composite role directly. Question: which of the following statements regarding business roles and technical roles in the SAP NetWeaver Identity Management are true? Note, there are two correct answers to this question. Option 1, technical roles are known in the identity store as well as in the connected backend systems. Option 2, business roles are known in the identity store as well as in the connected backend systems. Option 3, roles can be set up in hierarchies in the identity store. Option 4, business roles are system specific and will be uploaded from the backend systems. Option 5, business roles can represent the business task of an employee. Question: which of the following options can you use when maintaining the user distribution field selection in the Central User Administration, Transaction SCUM? Note, there are three correct answers to this question. Option 1, global. Option 2, local. Option 3, fixed. Option 4, central. Option 5, redistribution. Question: which protocols are supported by the virtual directory server of SAP? Note, there are three correct answers to this question. Option 1, LDAP, Lightweight Directory Access Protocol. Option 2, SPML, Service Provisioning Markup Language. Option 3, XSML, Extensible Service Markup Language. Option 4, DSML, Directory Service Markup Language. Question: in SAP NetWeaver as Java 7.0, the configuration of a directory server can be performed with several tools. Which of the following tools can be used? Option 1, Admin Tool. Option 2, Config Tool. Option 3, Jakeman. Option 4, SDM. Question: which of the following statements regarding role maintenance are true? Note, there are three correct answers to this question. Option 1, you can add reports and BSP, Business Server Page, applications to the menu of composite roles manually. Option 2, the expert mode for profile generation allows you to delete and recreate the profile and authorizations for the corresponding role. Option 3, under reference roles, you can define values for organizational levels. Option 4, you can assign roles to organizational units instead of users. Option 5, you can delete authorization objects only if you deactivate them beforehand. Question: after the installation all services are deactivated in your SAP system for security reasons. Which services? In the Internet Communication Framework, SICF, must be activated if you want to use SAP Web Dispatcher. Note, there are three correct answers to this question. Option 1, /SAP/public/ICMAN. Option 2, /SAP/public/BSP/star. Option 3, /SAP/public/ICF_info/star. Option 4, /SAP/public/ping. Option 5, /SAP/BC/GUI/SAP/it/web GUI. Question: You want to turn off the SAP menu on Easy Access menu screen. What administrative function do you need in authorization object s_user_ADM? Option 1 PRGN_CUST. Option 2 USR_CUST. Option 3 USR_CUST_S. Option 4 SSM_CUST. Question: which of the following accurately describe a composite role? Note: there are two correct answers to this question. Option 1 authorization are maintained on single role level. Option 2 menus cannot be adjusted as required. Option 3 transaction cannot be deleted from the menu with authorizations retained. Option 4 user assignment is maintained at the composite role level. Question: which of the following actions are required to ensure complete logging of table data changes? Note: there are three correct answers to this question. Option 1 the security log must be activated using transaction SM19. Option 2 client change option must be set to automatic recording of changes. Option 3 instance profile parameter rec/client must be maintained for client. Option 4 log data changes must be enabled at the table level in transaction SE13. Option 5 parameter rec/client must be maintained in transaction STMS. Question: the DBMS tab in Transactions SU01 allows you to manage database privilege assignments for which of the following scenarios? Note: there are two correct answers to this question. Option 1 when users need to use reporting authorizations on SAP BW. Option 2 when a user needs to execute CDS views. Option 3 when a user needs to run applications that access the database directly. Option 4 when users need 1:1 user mapping to map analytical privileges of the database to the virtual analysis authorization of SAP BW. Question: which values are permitted for the s_btch_job authorization object? Note: there are three correct answers to this question. Option 1 show. Option 2 rele. Option 301 create. Option 402 change. Option 5 delete. Question: which of the following are the examples of personal data under the GDPR? Note: there are three correct answers to this question. Option 1 IP address. Option 2 email address. Option 3 GPS data from cellular phone. Option 4 age group. Option 5 aggregated statistics on the use of a product. Question: which of the following defines phishing? Option 1 overloading an application with request. Option 2 acquiring sensitive information by masquerading as trustworthy entity. Option 3 modifying an IP address of the source of the TCP/IP packet. Option 4 pretending to be another user. Question: SAP Cloud Identity and Access Governance consists of which of the following software services? Note: there are three correct answers to this question. Option 1 access request. Option 2 role design. Option 3 emergency access management. Option 4 user access certification. Option 5 Access Analyst. Question: what is the purpose of securing sensitive business data? Note, there are 3 correct answers to this question. Option 1 Reduction of training cost. Option 2 Protection of intellectual property. Option 3 Correctness of data. Option 4 Disruption of software deployment. Option 5 Protection image. Question: which is the frequency of SAP Patch Day? Option 1 Monthly. Option 2 Yearly. Option 3 Weekly. Option 4 Quarterly. Question: which of the following allows you to improve the quality of your enterprise data assets with consistent data validation rules, data profiling and metadata management? Option 1 SAP Information Steward. Option 2 SAP Process Control. Option 3 SAP Information Lifecycle Management. Option 4 SAP Data Services. Question: which of the following phases in SAP Audit Management auditing process? Note, there are 3 correct answers to this question. Option 1 Mitigation Review. Option 2 Engagement Planning. Option 3 Remediation Analysis. Option 4 Communication Results. Option 5 Monitoring Progress. Question: which of the following authorization objects are used to secure the execution of external commands when defining a background job step? Note, there are 2 correct answers to this question. Option 1 S_log_com. Option 2 S_program. Option 3 S_btch_ext. Option 4 S_rzl_adm. Question: which of the following conditions apply when merging authorizations for the same object? Note, there are 2 correct answers to this question. Option 1 Changed authorizations can be merged with manual authorizations, even if the activation status is different. Option 2 Changed authorizations can be merged with manual authorizations, as long as the activation status is the same. Option 3 Both activation status and maintenance status of the authorizations match. Option 4 Both activation status and maintenance status of the authorizations do not match. Question: which CDs related repository object types are provided with ABAP CDs? Note, there are 3 correct answers to this question. Option 1 SQL View. Option 2 Data Definition. Option 3 Metadata Extensions. Option 4 CDs View Entity. Option 5 Access Control.
Thank you for attending the session. I hope you all enjoyed it. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Also feel free to ask your questions in the comment section below, and we will reply to them at the earliest.